Hello everyone, so today we're making a very simple kale salad. So first I have some chopped strawberries here along with some oranges, two different kinds of oranges. I have the carrot oranges and also the navel orange. Okay, this is going to be a very quick and simple dish that I will be serving with some salmon that is currently in the air fryer. Alright, so with this I'm going to go ahead and add some banana peppers. These are pickled banana peppers. I'm going to go ahead and add some olives. Then I'm going to add some red onion. I'm going to go ahead and add the balsamic vinaigrette. I'm going to toss all of this around. Once you get everything incorporated, you will go ahead and toss in the kale. I washed and chopped some kale. And you just simply just mix it around. And I'm going to go ahead and get my salmon out of the air fryer. And this is a very quick and simple meal, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Look at our beautiful, colorful meal. Our kale salad with salmon. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, let's eat, guys. Kain na tayo!